Hey, thank you very much. Not too long ago, the whole debate about carriage horses reignited because Mayor de Blasio is proposing legislation that will ban this industry by 2016. He said he would do it much earlier, but now it seems to actually be happening.
Yeah, it's a hot debate, and one teenager in New York City has become such an outspoken advocate for the horse and carriage industry. She's actually being made an honorary Teamster today at a rally. Alexandra Suma, 16 years old. She's here with us today, along with horse carriage driver Colin McKeever. Nice to have you both back on Good Day New York.
So a lot of folks don't realize you are part of a union. You are part of the Teamster union, right? The drivers?
That's correct, yeah. We're local 553.
And why are they making you an honorary Teamster?
Because of my work to help preserve the 300 horse carriages and the drivers' jobs.
Now, you're 16 years old. You should be worrying about the SATs.
Oh, I still am.
So what caught your attention with the horse and carriage industry?
Well, I've always been so in love with the tradition and the culture that it brings to our city, especially now during the holiday season. I think it just adds something so special to the city. And what I also care about is the 300 drivers and their jobs and the whole tourism industry as a whole. Mayor de Blasio doesn't necessarily realize the massive effect this bill has and the Grinch-like behavior that...
Ooh, you're calling the mayor a Grinch-like...
Yeah, you know.
Well, Com, there are people out there who think, oh, gosh, the horses, sometimes they don't look that happy, sometimes they don't look that clean, and it's busy and dangerous in the city. Make the case, sir, if you would, because you're involved every single day, that the horses are fine and they should continue.
Well, we have 68 carriages, 4 stables on the west side of Manhattan. The amount of trips these carriages make on a daily basis in 2 shifts to and from the stables, there's over 50,000 trips in a year. The accident rate we have is the lowest amongst any transportation business in the city. So, you know, any of our adversaries, you know, who have an issue with that.
And the horses are healthy?
Absolutely. Our horses are checked by the ASPCA, the health department, you know, on a regular basis, and you know, it's very, very strict indeed. The
mayor has suggested possibly allowing you to become a taxi driver.
Yeah, that's not a viable option. In fact, you know, Brooklyn council member Mr. Traeger, who was for the mayor, has recently switched over to our side because it's not a viable option, and there's no, you know, long-term financial stability in that for us.
Have you ever thought about becoming a taxi driver?
No, we're horse-drawn cab drivers. That's the only cab we want to drive.
So they've been breaking down how this lies right now in the city council, and it looks like the support may not be there to actually ban the horses. Alexandra?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, with my postcard campaign and the Daily News campaign, there have been thousands of signatures dropped off to keep the horses in New York City. And some council members who honestly were on the fence about the whole industry at first have been swayed to be pro-horse now. So I think that I have hope.
So this is a great civic lesson, basically.
Yeah.
I mean, can you fight City Hall?
Absolutely.
Well, we can vouch that Colin here is a great driver, and his horse is in fabulous condition. Not too long ago, earlier this year, we went for a ride with Colin at the, what do you call it? At the straps?
The reins.
At the reins.
And what was the name of the horse again?
Phoenix.
Beautiful horse, and we just had a grand time.
We had a great time, and it is an iconic tradition in New York City. If we can only get the Royals, Colin, to come visit you while they're in town, what can we do?
Well, the Royals, they're so used to taking horse-drawn carriage rides over there. I think
that's
it's like
right. Don't they have them?
They do, yeah, but it's possibly going to be like going back to the office for them. So I'm not sure if we're going to get them.
They need to experience it in New York City.
Well, pull one up to the Carlisle Hotel, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
That might be a good idea.
Sure.
All right. So what's next?
Well, today we have a rally at 12:45. Our union and all the unions and the Central Labour Council, emceed by Vinny Alvarez, which is a huge honour.
Where is the rally, please?
Steps of City Hall.
All right. Well,
can anybody show up and support?
Anybody. Yes.
Anybody can show up. And what we ask for is the 64% of New Yorkers that support us call the council members, call the undecided council members. The Daily News have been terrific in detailing all the information, the contact information for these council members. So if they could reach out, it will really help.
Alexandra Suma, Colin McKeever, thank you very much. All right, good luck at that rally today.
Yes.
And say hi to Phoenix.
Sure.
Extra carrots on us.
Absolutely, will do.